Hey guys, this is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and today we are going over one of the most versatile campers that we sell, as well as my personal favorite. This is the Grand Design Transcend 265BH, and it is absolutely loaded. At only 32 foot long and 6,400 pounds, it is easily towable by any half-ton on the market, as well as room for the whole family. Y'all have got to check this one out. Here at the very front of this coach, you've got a massive amount of pass-through storage. This is 43 cubic foot of pass-through storage with a full water connection system on the other side, as well as your solar charge controller and your monitor station. Coming inside this Grand Design is really where the versatility takes off. You've got the double over bunk system with their own closet and drawer stack. Another bed right here that lays down as a jackknife, but it makes a perfect sitting area as well. Triple recliners by Thomas Payne with a full center console, matched all behind this TCL Roku TV. Huge countertop space in this coach with a 3-burner stovetop and an oven. Huge farmhouse undermounted sink and plenty of storage up through the top and down along the bottom as well. This Transcend actually features a walk-through bathroom on this coach. So you've got a huge 38-inch shower with a retractable shower curtain, huge storage for all your linen needs, a true porcelain toilet, and then over here you've actually got a medicine cabinet with plenty of storage built in, as well as plenty of countertop space. Back here in the back, you've got plenty of storage in this coach. So you've got a closet on each side that is full length so you can hang clothes, pull out drawer, and then you've actually got a 60 by 80 residential queen size bed as well, with storage underneath that is on hydraulic shock, so it makes lifting it up a breeze. Guys, if y'all have seen, this is perfect for the whole family. You can fit absolutely anybody that you need to, but it also is just a great couples coach as well. We've got all of our 2022s discounted heavily right now. With this one coming in at under $40,000, y'all got to come check it out, or check it out on moixrv.com.